Hello. Question 6. Find current I1 and current I2 in the given circuit. Solution. We use Kirchhoff voltage law to solving this problem. The sum of all voltages around any closed loop in a circuit is 0. For loop 1, E1 minus I1 R1 minus I1 minus I2 multiplied by R3 equal to 0. After solving this equation, 2I1 minus I2 equal to 1. This is our equation 1. And for loop 2, E2 plus I2 R2 plus I2 minus I1 multiplied by R3 equal to 0. And after solving this equation, I1 minus 2I2 equal to 1. This is equation 2. After solving equation 1 and equation 2, our answer is I1 equal to 1 upon 3 ampere and I2 equal to minus 1 upon 3 ampere. Okay, thank you.